Welcome to my channel and new story. Today, we bring you an emotional and meaningful story. In this story, improve your English vocabulary, grammar, and listening skills. Sophia was a 22-year-old girl from Turkey. She was kind, smart, and full of dreams. One day, she got a scholarship to study in Canada. She was excited but also nervous. She had never lived alone in a foreign country. When she arrived, everything felt different. The weather was cold, people spoke fast, and the food was unfamiliar. But Sophia was determined to adjust. She made a few friends at the university, including Mia, a friendly girl from Canada, and Leo, a quiet but intelligent boy from Italy. Leo was in the same English literature class as Sophia. At first, they only talked about studies, but slowly, they started sharing their interests. Sophia loved poetry, and Leo loved music. They often met in the library to study together. One day, Sophia was struggling with an assignment. Leo noticed her frustration and offered help. "Don't worry, Sophia. You are smart. You can do this." His words gave her confidence. Soon, their friendship grew stronger. They started spending more time together walking in the park, discussing books, and enjoying coffee in small cafes. Sophia felt happy around Leo, but she was unsure about her feelings. One evening, it started raining heavily. Sophia forgot her umbrella, and Leo offered to share his. As they walked together under the small umbrella, Sophia felt something different. Her heart beat faster, and she realized she liked Leo. Leo also felt the same. He admired Sophia's kindness and intelligence. He loved how she spoke about her culture and dreams. But he was afraid to tell her. What if she didn't feel the same way? One day, Leo invited Sophia to a cultural festival. There was music, dance, and delicious food from different countries. While watching a beautiful performance, Leo finally spoke. "Sophia, I think I like you." "No, I know I like you. You are special to me." Sophia was surprised but happy. "Leo, I feel the same." Their relationship was beautiful but not easy. Sophia's family wanted her to marry someone from Turkey. Leo's parents also had doubts. They both knew that love was not just about feelings. It required courage and understanding. After completing their studies, Leo visited Turkey with Sophia. He learned about her culture, traditions, and family values. He even tried to speak Turkish. Sophia's family saw his efforts and kindness. Sophia and Leo got married in a beautiful ceremony that blended both cultures. They proved that love has no borders, it only needs respect, patience, and acceptance.